So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to find local channels on Xumo Box, channel guide, scan and location settings. So quick summary you can see here, and also check the live TV channel guide, easiest method. Press home on the Xumo remote, then scroll down to live TV guide, then browse the grid to look for local channels like ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox and PBS etc. You can filter by category or scroll to lower channel number. The Xumo home screen include an integrated live guide if your TV provider is set correctly. Make sure your TV provider is set. If local channels are missing, your provider may not be linked. From home, go to settings, then select viewing preference, then TV provider. Choose your provider like Spectrum, Xfinity, etc. Save and return to the guide. Setting the provider enable the integrated live TV guide and local channel access. Scan for local channel using an antenna. If you use an antenna, you must scan channel first. Connect the antenna to the TV's antenna RF port, then press input on the remote, select antenna, follow on screen prompt to scan for channels. Wait for scanning to finish, select continue. To rescan later, antenna, then go to settings, then channel setup, then antenna, then search. This method gives you real over the air local station. Fourth one is check location setting when channels are missing. Local channels depend on your location. If you don't see locals, ensure internet is connected at your home address. Restart the Xumo box, then reopen the live TV guide. Avoid using VPN or out of area network. Some users lose local channels when outside their home network. So while local channels may not show, common reason is TV provider not set, antenna scan not done, location detected not incorrectly. Some local community channels are not available via streaming. Streaming lineups may differ from traditional cable boxes. Thank you.